to my channel. Today's episode will be the last but not the least from the series of Mom Style with Fashion Focallure, and today I have decided to do a gorgeous, full glam, beautiful wedding guest makeup look. Basically, I was finding an excuse to wear the sari and to make a look with that, and today is the opportunity I got, so I am doing this. I think all Indian women looks their best, the most gorgeous and even the sexiest in a sari. So what do you think, guys? Please let me know in the comment section below. So without wasting much time, let's just make it started. Before starting the video, I really need to put a disclaimer for my haters that if you are having any such issues of my accent, then I do speak English just like this. This is my accent, and even if I am faking, I don't think that it's really stopping you to breathe or to leave. Please don't waste your time spreading negativity onto my channel, because my channel is all about positivity and love. Try to achieve something into your own life rather investing time watching my videos if you are having such problems with my accent. Thank you. Let's move on, guys, and let's do today's makeup. As you can see, I have already worn my sari and the blouse, and I have done my hair. I have done a simple basic one and did put a hair gajra. This is basically a DIY. I did made it especially for my sister-in-law's marriage. If you are interested in any DIY videos, please do let me know, or you can ask me in the comment section below. I have already primed my face, and now I'll be starting my eye makeup. For priming my eyelids, I'll be using the Pro Conceal in the shade yellow. It is basically a corrector. And also I'll be covering my acne scars. Now I'll be using my beauty blender and will blend this. I'll set my eyelids with Revlon Colorstay Press Powder in the shade Medium Deep. Today's eye look, I'll be starting with this palette right here, which is the Sweet as Honey palette from Focallure. It is a 18 shade eyeshadow palette, and these are the colors. Look at the colors. They are literally gorgeous. They are so party type. Just the color combination is so damn good. Two more palettes I'll be using today. One is the Twilight one. These are the colors. It's also very party type. And the another one is Luxury. This is a all pressed glitter palette. We'll be using Focallure's fluffy blending brush, and will be this shade right here to build it up into my crease. Then I'll be using this shade right here from the Twilight palette. Now I'll be using a more intense brush, and will be using this shade right here from the Sweet as Honey palette. Now I'll be using this shade and will be pat it onto my eyelids. And I'm using a Focallure's flat brush. Now I'll be using this shade from the Twilight palette. This is a foil color, and I'll be using with my fingertip. Will pat it onto my eyelids. Now I'll be again taking the more intense brush, and will take this shade right here and will intensify my outer corners. Now I'll be using this shade right here from the Luxury palette. Now I'll be taking this shade and will blend all together. Now I'll be using my Maybelline's Eyestudio Lasting Drama Gel Eyeliner, and it is in the shade black. I'll be lining my upper lash line. We'll try to make a winged eyeliner, fingers crossed. Done, guys. That's perfect. Now I'll be cleaning my edges with the help of wet wipes. And now as the foundation time, today I'll be using Colorbar Full Cover Makeup Stick. I'm in the shade 03. Using my blender to blend this. Now I'll be using my concealer, which is the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 25. I'll be using my Sigma Kabuki brush. I'll be using Revolution Ultra Sculpt and Contour Kit and the shade Ultralight or Medium C04, and we'll be using my small contour brush and this contour shade right here. This is a very cool tone shade, that's why I like this. For sculpting my face, I'll be using this contour brush. Now for setting my under eyes, I'll be using Colorbar Flawless Airbrush Finish Loose Powder. I'm in the shade 02. I'll be again back to my eyes and will be lining my lower waterline with the help of Oriflame Kohl Pencil in the shade black. Now I'll be smoking it up with the help of this small fat brush, and we'll be using this shade right here from Sweet as Honey palette. I'll be using this shade right here from the Sweet as Honey palette to highlight my inner corners. Now it's the time to brush off your excess loose powder. Now I'll be doing my eyebrows, and for it I'll be using L'Oreal Brow-Tease Brow Pomade. I'll be doing it offline and will be right back. Brows are done, and I'll be curling my lashes with the help of Oriflame Lash Curler. And I'll be using the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara. For blush, and I'll be using this Miss Doozy blush palette, and we'll be using my blush brush. We'll be using this shade right here. It's the glow time, and I'll be using my Revolution Shimmer Brick Radiant Highlighter, and we'll be using Focallure highlighter brush. is the lip type, and I'll be using Focallure Metallic Matte Lips in the shade Jazzberry. So this is the final look, guys. That this video will justify your love for makeup. So if you like this video, don't forget to give your thumbs up, share this with your friends, family, relatives, colleagues, whoever you know. Consider subscribing to my channel for more upcoming and interesting videos about makeup, skincare, lifestyle and fashion. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get all the latest updates from my side. Until next time, take care and bye bye.